Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the linear layout with its attributes in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I open the Eclipse ADT bundle and our device is also ready. But here we can just how to use of the linear layout and that how to uh, design of your application. So now in file menu, in new Android application, yes, here we can give the linear this underscore layout. So yes, here that yes linear layout. Next, so here that default sometimes that not select our workspace folder. So we can provide in like F drive in this laptop and here Android demo that is my main folder. So yes, I select and now again we have to type. So it is a linear underscore. We can give the layout. So that is a already exist, but yes, we can give the like demo, but that yes, that is also created. So yes, what to do? So I give the just linear lay. Yes, that is, but by default that first name that selected. Let us check. So next, next, and finish. So yes, that takes some process, and now yes, that create. Yes, you can look here linear layout. And now first step I allowed that is a text view I remove, and now we can apply or you can apply on text view. Yes, here I take two button, so button 1 and 2, but that is a relatively layout. By default in the ADT bundle, you can look here that is a relatively layout. So first step we can delete type button, and here you can directly select this relatively word and change the linear. That is a you can also apply that manually. Yes, and here start and end take both you can give the linear layout, but that is a some attributes is remaining to the relatively layout like padding. Yes, that is context that main tools of our and that source all that things. So what to do? So yes, that is a better we can select this linear that I change directly and remove all that content, and here you can look that is a blank. So there is a no layout. So layout folder, there is a two layout means so many layout, but here linear vertical and horizontal, that is our in this session we can just learn the linear layout. Why take as horizontal or vertical? So let us check. I give the vertical, and now you can look here. So that is a orientation, that is main property of our linear horizontal and vertical. So now we can place two button. Yes, that is our perfect, and here that is a first button, and now that is second but vertical place. So let us check. We have to change that is button 1. Yes, that text, and that is a button 2. So we can recognize and give the background color of that button. So you can look here background color. So yes, as sign and F capital F F F and 00, and then second button Android colon, that is a background. You can also use color drawable resource, but here I directly apply the hexadecimal code. So 00040 and 20 and 4F. Yes, and here 4 first F and then 20. So you can also take 40. Yes, you can look yellow and shine color is there. Now what to do? Second important property, we can change that is orientation, and now we can apply in parents. So that is a gravity. Yes, and layout gravity and gravity. So here that is a default is a left, we can provide as a right. So let us check. So you can look here, that is a justification left, right, center. Yes, now we can give the center. It's let us check center only, or center vertical you can also provide. So let us I give the center. So you can look, that is a center of our activity. So that is a how to alignment perfect way. And now what to do? So again I take as a right side, and I change that property of vertical to that is a horizontal. So let us check. Yes, here you can look, that is a by default if we not provide here gravity, so that is a left. So that is a, and you can also double, yes, right top, bottom. Yes, let us check right bottom. So what is the effect? So let us check. So you can look, that is a below of our activity. So that is a right, but top, and now here bottom. So that is, you can apply to here double gravity attributes, means value. So that is a like bitwise OR operator. So now I hope you can understand. And now we can change. Yes, so that is I take as a top. Yes, and now we can use as a child, that is a layout. So you can also apply to yes, now I can remove these parents. Yes, let us check what is a default. So you can look, that is a uh, default left and horizontal property. And now we can also use the Android, and that is layout gravity. So that is a top left, so we can take as a right one, and other is a left. So let us check. So yes, but that is a first we have to because that is a gravity property of parent, and then we can write, yes, that is a right, but exactly that we have to change, that is orientation, and that is a vertical. So now let us check what effect. So you can look now that perfectly one is left and one is right, because what happened in previously, because that is a horizontal, now that vertical. So horizontal, that is a near to that row wise, and that is a column wise. So that is a left and right. So you can also use the layout gravity in the child and layout gravity of parents, but gravity you can apply the parent. So which attribute apply to which where child or parent. So some attribute apply only parent, and some attribute apply to parent and child both. So yes, that perfectly. Now we can apply the yes. Now I can change, yes, that layout gravity, and by default we have to see. Yes, let us check. So what happened? Yes, here that is again we can remove this and weight sum. Yes, so let us check weight sum. So we can apply to the layout weight to child. So let us check. First we can check, yes, what is default. So okay, now what to do? So yes, first we have to check. Yes, here you can look, and now we can apply the child, and that is a one property, and that is a Android, that is a prefix, and that is a layout weight. So now I can give the weight first button to one, and second button, that is a layout weight, that is 2. So let us check what is the effect of this property of child. So you can look, that is a double span, and that is a vertical. So now I can change the same that we can take as layout in child 1 button 1 and 2 to 2, and now we have to take as a horizontal. So let us what is the effect. So you can look here. So yes, that is a very important property. Yes, layout weight. And now without layout weight, first I remove this layout weight, and we can take the 4 button, and yes, that is 2 is there. Yes, and then I take as a vertical, yes, first vertical, and that is we can give the here width is a fill parent, and you can also use as a match parent. but I give the field parent. So let us what effect. So you can look here, that is perfect. And now I can take two button, yes, so without weight. So let us check. So yes, here button is 3 and here button is 4. And now that we have to take, yes, Android, and that is background color, and that we can mix, yes, FF00FF. And here that last fourth button Android, and that is a background, and that is a has, we can say that yes, so F000 F. Yes, let us check which color is display. So yes, perfect. So there is a 4 button, and then we can also take as that is with this field parent, and that with, yes, both button we have to take 4 button. So yes, now perfectly. So you can look. So that is a without weight. But now we can apply the first, yes, that is a Android, and that provide the uh, that is a weight sum. Yes, so that we can apply the weight sum, that is important property, and give the file. Yes, so you can look here, that is a first we cannot apply, but here there is no effect. Why? Because we can also provide the child to the layout weight, and that is a 0. Yes, first is 0, and then second, yes, that is a weight, we can provide the 1, and then you can also start from 1. I take as a 0. So layout weight, yes, now that is a 2, and last button. So when you can apply the weight sum in the parent, so you can also apply the layout weight in the child. So that is a perfect. So yes, that is a 0, then here 1, here 2, and here is a 3. Yes, so yes, that, let us check what happened. So you can look, that is a 0 span, 1 span, 2 span, and that is very long, because yes, here our activity to outside. So yes, that is a very long. So 0, yes, and weight sum 1, and 2, and here 3, but that is a very long. So what to do? So here I also take as 2. So you can look here, that perfectly now, that is, so that is a weight sum effect. Here 0, there is no effect, that normal size. Then here 1, so that is a span, then 2, and here also 2. So that is all about, so you can also learn, but here my of this session just how the which property you can apply to parent and child. Yes, that is my goal of this session. So orientation is a main property. You can apply the orientation to the parent, yes, and that is a linear layout. And then gravity, only that gravity layout, gravity can apply the parent and child both, but gravity is applied to the parents. And then weight sum, you can apply the linear parents, but the child you can also apply the layout weight, then and then that weight sum is a effect. But here I take as a 4. Yes, here over 4. Let us check what happens. So I save again, and let us check effect. So you can look here, that is again, that is outside. So because we have to weight some 4, and button is also 4, but that 5 is perfect, that size. So all button in the within the our activities display. You can look here. So yes, that is a depend upon your requirement. So here, like I give the 1. Yes, here is a 1, and here is a 2 and 2. So let us check. So I think now that is a, yes, that outside, because that is a we have to expand. So first, yes, that is a we can take this weight sum property layout weight. Here that is a 0 is perfectly, here 1 is perfectly, here 2, and last one is also 2. So that is a perfect or according to requirement. You can look now. So all our activities perfect, that all are including. So yes, that program that is not we have to run, because that just display, that is a sum. There is no any coding of that, is a just idea how to design in linear view and orientation, vertical and horizontal and left right, how to set. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy. That is simple how to control to design in linear layout in Android. So just subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.